What is going on, guys? Welcome in this new video on how to buy CoW protocol token on Coinbase. In today's video I'm going to show you how to buy this token. Basically what we need to do is head over to Coinbase, log into your account. I already did that. And before we head further, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel and get new videos every day. So for the first step, we log into our account. After that, you see the search bar right on top. Just click on it and type in CoW. There you see CoW protocol. Click on it. And if you want to buy this coin, there are different options to do it. For now, we use the easy method. As you can see, you can fill in the amount of fiat currency you want to use for this coin. Let's say you want to buy for 1000 euros. Fill it in over here. And now you can click on review order. After that, this screen will appear and you can see how much you will receive. We will receive 2599 coins. It's already changed because of the price course changing. And if we want to buy it, just click on buy now and you will buy the coin. But I want to give you a head up. If you use Coinbase One, you will get a big discount on trading fees. So if you use this subscription, then you basically will save already 40 euros, almost 40 euros of CoW protocol tokens. And if you check, you can fill in 38, that was the amount you will save. And you will get basically 79 coins for free. So don't forget to use Coinbase One and save yourself a lot of money when you trade a lot. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers!